welcome aboard our lovely AmaDolce, one of our award-winning 110-meter ships that cruises through the heart of France. Once you embark the ship, you'll be welcomed to our lobby on the violin deck. There is always a crew member available at our reception desk to answer your questions, highlighting points of interest, offer complimentary postcards you can send your loved ones, and to settle your account at the end of your cruise. The lobby is also where you will depart the ship for our included excursions. Just past the reception desk is our gift shop, where you can purchase souvenirs such as jacket embroidered with the ship's name, jewelry, and other local goods. Beyond the gift shop, towards the bow of the ship, is our main lounge. With plenty of seating to accommodate every guest on board, this is the central gathering place for safety briefings, lectures, our daily complimentary sip and sail cocktail hours, and nightly entertainment. Towards the aft of the ship on the violin deck, you will find our massage and hair salon, where a variety of relaxing services are available for a nominal fee. Across the hall is our fitness room, where you may work out independently using our state-of-the-art equipment. At the aft of the ship is our intimate chef's table restaurant, where one special evening during your cruise, you can savor our delicious multi-course tasting menu with our compliments. Below the violin deck is our cello deck, home to the main restaurant, where guests gather for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which are all included in your river cruise fare. The sun deck on AmaDolce and her sister ships in France offers a soothing whirlpool as well as walking track and plenty of seating for you to unwind with a glass of French wine and take in the views. Our lovely staterooms are located on the 3 decks below the sun deck. Starting from our piano deck, the lowest level of the ship, you will find our D and E category staterooms. These measure 170 square feet and include fixed windows, a desk and a chair, and a bathroom with multi-jet shower. On the violin and cello decks are category A, B, and C staterooms, which measure 170 square feet. These staterooms maximize fresh air and beautiful views with romantic French balconies and a separate seating area near the balcony door. If you prefer enhanced personal space, we also have one A+ category stateroom on the violin deck, measuring 225 square feet with a larger seating area, French balcony, an additional floor-to-ceiling window, and a large bathroom. And if you want to truly indulge, the violin deck also has 3 suites that measure 255 square feet, with all the amenities of our A+ category staterooms, as well as a bathroom that features both a bathtub and a shower. Thank you for joining me today for our tour of the enchanting AmaDolce. We hope to see you and your loved ones on board for one of our unforgettable tastes of Bordeaux river cruises very soon.